Welcome. In front of me I have a Nintendo Switch controller, a third-party one from a PDP Gaming, which is supposedly official Nintendo licensed product. And I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the controller itself. Okay, so let's just get in here. Apart from the branding, honestly, something about it just kind of feels like this is a BS kind of label, but I don't know. I didn't order this, so I'm just kind of going with this as a first glance. But when it comes down to official, and for instance, how as a comparison, NVIDIA as a company forces their distributors to basically what they can do with packaging and stuff like that. The packaging right here is absolutely different from an actual Nintendo controller. A lot of plastic here as well. Wow, that is that just gives me like straight up AliExpress vibes right here. Oh yeah, that's and the controller is wired. Right, we have some level up your game. Just pop that out. That's a lot of cable here, holy crap. Now the controller itself feels pretty mid, not gonna lie. Now we have oh wow, that is a weird design. So we have the two little grip buttons right here at the back, which are, as you can see, kind of like a one big piece. Can I pop this out? Oh, I can. Okay, so you can kind of, I guess, not use this, but they don't give you anything alternative. What the hell? Okay. Now, in terms of the layout right here, it's obviously what you would expect. Shape, almost Xbox-like. Not one-to-one. It's a little bit wider right here, or top to bottom, with a little bit less kind of like a curving shapes. But the grip, it's okay. There is a little bit of a difference also in the grip. So my fingers are interfering with the back right here a little bit earlier than you would have it on an actual Xbox controller shape kind of thing. Other than that, buttons are fine. And this one's probably the worst one, the home one. It just like barely any travel distance, just kind of feels meh. Whatever the hell this is. The joysticks feel mid. Yeah, this just feels meh. Nothing really special, I would say. A bit of a travel distance for the triggers, but they are just like, you know, binary on off. It's like a button. So as a trigger, meh. Also the shape of them, it's a bit weird. They're trying to make them kind of small, pointy. Not the best kind of design right here. The buttons, the way the controller is shaped also kind of pushes your index fingers a little bit further down naturally. So pressing the bumpers right here is a little bit more challenging in terms of comfort. Now I do want to kind of give a comparison, so maybe not give, but tell. So I did use the official Nintendo Switch 2 controller just a moment ago, and that is an absolute different world in terms of how this feels compared to that official controller. Now I know that this is for Switch 1, while the other one is for supposedly Switch 2. I don't know if they're intercompatible with generations. Possibly they are, but I don't know. You need to probably check that. But anyway, with that in mind, that controller feels amazing. It's probably one of the nicer feeling controllers that I've ever used in terms of just quality of like holding it and just the actual design. Like The button presses were nice. Specifically the thumbsticks felt absolutely amazing. Something about like they were almost like rubberized when you were moving them, so it was very smooth and kind of nice. I can't really explain how. Don't know how to explain this, but it felt heaps ahead of what this is here. So if you gotta choose, and you don't probably mind spending a little bit more considering it would be an official controller, that one will feel much better and feel like it's actually a real quality product compared to this, which just feels like it's you know, take an AliExpress product, slap a brand on it, and you're good to go. And with the design of this specific one, it just makes it feel like it's very easy to do that, considering we have a popping off faceplate right here, so you can swap out the thumbsticks. And you have also popping off a label at the back with the branding, which wait, what? Okay, no, never mind. There's the PDP label right here. I was looking right here, Face Off TM, which almost sounded like a completely different company, but we have a one right here. So yeah, you can obviously replace the sticker. And other than that, it could possibly be sold as a different brand as well and be the same literal controller, because all you would need to do is just put a sticker at the back, brand these two parts with a different kind of logo, and you're good to go. So yeah, honestly, it feels very crappy in general, this controller. So if you have a choice, I would recommend probably going with the official one. It kind of pains me, but hell, after holding at least the Switch 2 controller, wireless one, there is no comparison. This feels like a prop, while the other one actually feels like a controller that is even better in terms of feel than what it's mimicking, which is an Xbox controller. So that was very pleasant surprise. In any case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.